Hello guys, good morning. I missed you guys. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please do well by clicking on the red subscribe button below and click on the bell beside it to always get my notification whenever I upload a video on this channel. So, on this episode, this morning I want to be making oha soup, guys. It have been long I ate this soup and I've been craving this soup for some days now. So, guys, let's quickly rush and prepare this soup. I have an appointment with my hairstylist. I'll be making my hair today. So, yeah, I'm kind of like rushing this.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
So as you guys can see, I'm kind of like rushing this food because I still have few clothes in the bathroom to wash before leaving. Like I said earlier, I have an appointment with my hairstylist and I need to finish up those clothes, then go to the salon to wash my hair, hot comb it before proceeding to make my hair. I actually plan to do shuku, Ghana weaving, inner Ghana weaving. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys at the end of this video. So if you've watched to this point and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button below, okay? And click on the bell beside it so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first person to get notified.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright.
Guys, I sincerely apologize for not recording when my stylist was making my hair. My battery was actually very low. I had to come back and charge my phone to show you guys the finished look. So what do you think about the hair? Is it fine? Is it beautiful? As for me, I like the hair, oh, but you guys still drop your opinion. This is me feeling myself, but not feeling myself that much because my hair just they pay me. Oh, I was even having headache. But yeah, I shall later did chakara with my new hair. Have you seen a fine girl today? Have you seen a fine girl today? If you've not, oh yeah, see one. I present to you the most beautiful girl in the world. Anyways, my people, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like and share this video, okay? Drop what you think at the comment section. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.